Okay, I'm going to be doing a voiceover on this one, just for the beginning part. I'm actually going to be introducing a little alley called Calçada do Lilau, and I'm going to be hanging out with that guy, Iz. He has his own channel as well. That'll be posted down below. And Iz and I are just going to go up this little thing. We're looking for this one origin of that particular place right there. That's called the Fountain of Lilau, and there's actually a source. So the Calçada do Lilau, we heard that that's where we can go to find the source of that well. So we're going to try to go up the other side and try to find it. So stay tuned and just kind of check it all out. It should be a pretty cool little video. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Actually, you know, I never noticed it. You know, if this one was painted like those colors, you know, it'd be kind of amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, they need that. The fact that it's white kind of makes your eyes just sort of gloss over.
Yeah. And it's funny too because, you know, both of these have the brown windows right here. So you got the brown windows and the brown windows, you got the lanterns. You kind of have the same kind of shape more or less too.
Yeah.
But yeah, you don't even notice it. You know, I've thought that a lot too, just in general with Macau. Like if anything they paint turns into a tourist attraction.
Yeah. Shall we?
Yep. And I believe this one right here, Calçada do Lilau, I think this is the one that we're gonna try to look for the origin of the fountain. Anything interesting there? Actually, the most interesting thing is these roots. These roots just grew right into that, so they grew right into the door.
Yeah.
Like that's like really entwined.
Check this out.
Is it another abandoned one?
Yeah. We got so much work to do. Macau is full of these types of places that need restoration, right?
Yep. And they're so expensive. I as far as I last knew, anyways. Like I think if we wanted this to buy it, I think it'd be out of our price range for most people.
I don't think you think you could buy it?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think it'd be like marked as like a heritage. Oh, see, like I've never gone in there and.
So I heard somebody actually. I heard there might be a dog or something like that. So I came here once, and I got about this far, and then and I felt way too intrusive. But then I saw like another YouTuber. This went through, so I'm just gonna walk in. Yeah, this definitely has more of a living room kind of feel. So I think this is definitely more of a living room shrine. And I'm going to walk all the way to the end. Oh, and it keeps going up. So we're just going to take it all the way up and to see. So I think this is the well they were talking about. Wow, okay. That's amazing. That's the water right there. So that's the one they were talking about. So this is actually the origin of Lilau. So they actually pump this out and there's all that algae right in there too. Whoa. That's amazing. Okay. So that's what they were talking about. This was it. Actually, we found it. Yeah, that looks pretty, so that's actually it. There's like a sign right there. Even people put their stuff here. I don't know if this is gonna come or not. It doesn't feel very, I mean, we are really in the living room things. So crazy. I found it. So we're gonna go back up a little bit. It feels a little bit intrusive, but so we'll kind of go up again. Found it. Crazy, right? So I think that must be the origin of the well. So I guess in the past, probably water would have came down here, I guess. And now they pump it out with the things.
Oh man, I can't even. Yeah, it's like so interesting. I wonder how far out that goes.
Yeah.
The light, my light isn't even strong enough to like.
Oh wow, the light, actually that camera actually lights it up a little bit. I mean, in the camera.
Let me see if I can. I don't know if that helps or not.
Wow, they. Oh man.
I want to pin this the location.
Yeah.
Because I want to see what's on the other side of this.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, you know, I think. Well, Penny Hill goes up to the top, so that must come up to something.
The location doesn't make any sense. It says I'm in Namban Lake.
Oh. Actually, it's kind of interesting. I'm just kind of capturing that building because I might be able to try to eyeball it from another side. But pretty wild. So actually up in here, it looks like, I think what we're looking at is just a bunch of different small properties with all kinds of like stuff. Okay, so we're gonna navigate out of here. In the courtyard. Let's go this way. Yeah, I guess they must be used to people at least walking through to get to the other places. So we're just gonna cruise on out of here, and I'm gonna end this one right up this light here, and then that's basically this whole Lilau area, with the conclusion being that we found the Lilau fountain. So that's Pátio de Lilau. And
oh, yeah, that was super interesting. that was so unique.
yeah.
Like the fact that there's like a whole building on top of that, and who knows how far deep that goes. That's crazy.
Yeah, I didn't expect that at all. I heard that, but I didn't really fully understand. But anyways, we got it all on film, so
see you guys next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.